All right, in this video, we are going to be graphing exponential function. All right, and the one we're going to graph is y equals -2 times 5 raised to the x plus 3 power. All right. What we're going to do with this, now every one little square is 1 unit on the x-axis. Every 2 squares is 100 units on the y-axis, or in other words, every square is 50 units on the y-axis. All right, whenever you're going to change your scale, you must label your x and y-axes. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a table. Okay. I'm going to just plug in a few key values. All right, I'm going to start with 0. Now, if I plugged in 0, 0 plus 3 is 3. 5 cubed is 125. And -2 times 125 is -250. All right, so at 0, I go down 100, 250. Right there. Okay. Now, what if I were to plug in a negative? Let's say -3. -3 plus 3 is 0. 5 to the 0 power is 1. -2 times 1, -2. All right. What if I were to plug in -2? -2 plus 3 is 1. 5 to the first power is 5. -2 times 5 is -10. Okay. You notice this is going to get really huge if I plug in positive numbers. It's going to get very negative because that -2 out front. Now, let me show you what this will look like. All right, at -2, I'm at -10, so I'm not even 1 square down. I am just barely below the x-axis. Same thing at -3. I am barely below the x-axis. This is not going to get positive. Even if I plug in further numbers over here, it's just going to keep curving down. As I go to the left, it's going to flatline up against the x-axis. If it helps you to see, plugging in -1. -1 plus 3 is 2. 5 squared is 25. -2 times 25 is -50. So that means 1 square over, 1 square down. See, we have this flat line, curves down, crosses the x-axis there, and keeps going. Plug in, put my arrow here. That's a bad looking arrow. Let me undo that. Let's redo this arrow here. There we go. That's a little better. So we have this curve. It's kind of upside down of the last ones because of the -2. All right. Now our domain, all real numbers. Okay. What about the range? Well, this is never going to be positive, so y is going to be less than 0. Okay. There we have it.